Hi everyone, I'm Frida and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to make this spiral filigree pendant. I cut out the disc, punched a hole in it, and now I'm doming it. I'm enameling and pickling it when it's necessary. Here I apply the clear fuse, fire it and repeat it on the other side, pickling in between. It's important to fire it until the copper oxides are dissolved in the clear fuse. It's gonna get a nice golden color. Here I'm twisting 4 wires together to create the filigree. Now I'm folding the wires to create the spiral. I don't enamel these wires, I like to leave them springy. This way it's easier to form nice even curves. The spiral of life symbolizes the physical, mental and spiritual development of a human life. I'm trying to make it perfect, but it never really happens. It's really hard to make a perfect curve. When I was done, I fired it off camera. I've chosen these beautiful blue colors for this one. Now I'm filling out between the wires. I went for a gradient look, being the darkest in the middle. I'm trying to mix the colors nicely. I'm using a little scraper and a paintbrush and lots of water. These blue colors are my favorites, they look very eye-catching together. Let me know what you think. When I was done with this, I made sure it's really dry before I started to fire it. I used my torch and it's really enjoyable. I love to see how the enamel melts in front of my eyes. And it's done. It was an easier project. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!